All right. Hey, let's talk about one of the most missed questions on the AP exam. All right. This is great that we have this right now because if you got a chance of getting this one knocked out, oh boy. All right. Now, so it says F is the antiderivative of this, such that F of 1 is 1/3 and F of 0 is unknown. All right. So here's what we could do. We could go into the calculator and find out what the change of this function would be. Uh, and so this is F we're talking about here from 0 to 1. I need a 0 right there. I need a 0 right there. To 1 of cosine. I have no idea how to do this one by hand, but thank goodness I've got a calculator. And now here's the fact. If f is the antiderivative of that, then this would equal f of 1 minus f of 0. And if they tell me that's 1/3, and I know what the change is, remember this is going to be the change, then I can find out what f of 0 is by doing a little bit of algebra. Okay, so here's what you want to do. I can find that as a number. Heck, I already know this is 1/3. So that's 1/3 minus what we're trying to find. All right, and then the calculator can calculate this change for me, or this accumulation. All right, so I already typed it in. So how you do that? You go math 9. All right, so I went math 9. Here I'll do this, but I'll show you how it's going to look. So you go math 9, and then you're just plugging everything in. All right, so from 0 to 1, 0 to 1, and then I just did pretty fraction right here. So I did alpha f1, and then away you go. All right. So it's 0.59. And if we're rounding to 3 decimal places, which they like us to do, 0.59 is going to be just fine. So this is 0.59. All right. Now, watch this. If I subtract that, that's going to be the opposite of my answer, right? So so let's go ahead and add the f of 0 to both sides. So f of 0 is going to equal 1/3 minus 0.59. All right. So 1/3 minus the answer we just found. So 1/3. Clear? So 1/3 minus the answer that we just found on the calculator. Boom. All right, there it is. Negative 2.57. So f of 0 is negative 2.257. All right, cool. All right. All right. Now, example 9. Unleaded gasoline is being pumped into an empty underground storage tank for the opening of a new convenience store at a rate of 600 square root of T gallons per hour. How many gallons of gasoline can the supply truck deliver if the driver pumps for 2 hours? Okay. So what we want to do is we want to go from 0 to 2, 600. This is the rate. dt. I'll use x. I mean, you can use whatever variable you want to, but I don't have the calculator do it. So here we go. So I'm going to go math 9. So math 9 from 0 to 2 of 600. I'm going to use the square root of x. You can use whatever variable you want, but I'm going to use x since it's handy. And x, and there we go. All right. Doesn't say where to round. We'll round 3 decimal places. 1,131.371. 1,131 point, and I already forgot. 0.371. 0.371 gallons. It's that quick. It's that easy. And this kind of question is loved by the College Board. Bye-bye.